December 7, 1941, Japan launched an attack on Pearl Harbor. Seemed Emperor Hirohito thought provoking the U.S. was a good idea. War had finally come to the United States. Cliff's death in London hit me hard. I was done with killing. I could have headed home. The idea of U.S. boys seeking glory and dying over Europe, I couldn't let that happen. I requested a transfer, told him I was Tom Forrester, American national, not a Canadian. Found myself in the U.S. Army Air Force 352 Squadron, escorting bombing raids into Europe. None of it felt like glory anymore. Dad was right about that. It felt like duty. Nations are forged from the blood of their sons. I can't let those kids go up alone.
Our Commander-in-Chief has at last deemed it appropriate to unleash the might of the U.S. military upon our enemies. Today, the B-17 Flying Fortresses of Bomber Squadron 91 will be delivering a compelling message to the Luftwaffe. The target is Reich Marshal Goering's elite fighter squadron, stationed at the airfield at Le Bourget, just outside the formerly French city of Paris. 352, your job is to keep the German interceptors off their backs. Unacceptable bomber losses will jeopardize the mission. Your fighters lack the necessary fuel to escort the B-17s all the way to their target. Once you've escorted the bombers past Goering's outer defenses, turn back and send the bombers on their way.
Okay, Victor Squadron. For those of you not listening in the briefing, I'm talking to you, Victor 2. Our orders are to escort those B-17s to the edge of the hot zone. Then they're on their own.
I'm guessing we'll see action today, huh? The thing about your flying fortress is it tends to attract attention. It's flying and it's a fortress.
Remind me of your name, Victor 2.
Lieutenant Jack Kowalski, sir.
You always talk this much, Jack?
Hey, what can I say? I'm a city boy.
Are you scared, Jack?
No.
Sure. Me neither. Victor Squadron, form up on the bombers. Anyone sees a whole mess of 109s, you let me know.
You're worrying too much. These birds outclass those old Schmitz in every way. Speed, ceiling, armament.
Yeah, there's people in those planes, Jack. And they know how to fly them better than you.
Ah, the cavalry has temporarily arrived. Say, that's a pretty loose formation you boys got going.
It's like trying to train puppy dogs, Blink and Abel.
Well, you keep those mutts scrapping. We'll take care of the majestic beauty part of the operation.
Glad to help, Lincoln Squadron. Only sorry we can't go to Paris with you.
Everyone knows you boys got tiny little fuel tanks. Victor Leader, I see fighters. I'm thinking it's possible they're not on our side.
Your guidance was bombers.
Victor Squad, try to break up their dive. Gentlemen, engage at will.
Go fetch, boys. You have a simple job, 352. Take the fighters down, protect the bomber, boys.
Message from HQ. German fighters massing near Paris. Goering shall west of us. ETA any minute.
Keep it up.
Sie ist völlig durchsichert, aber sie wird halt.
Another bandit down, Victor Squadron.
You got him. Don't sweat it. He started. We lost the bomber. Victor Squadron, protect the wing.
You're bugging out.
Speak to me, I can talk to you.
Watch that. Okay, Lincoln. Looks like we scared him off.
Poetry in motion, Victor Leader. I heard about this fella. I heard his dad flew too. Let me guess, he taught you everything you know.
Him and another guy.
Lee, we're taking fire. Lost starboard gunner position. I don't see any fighters back there.
What the hell's going on? That fire came from inside the formation.
There are worms in this apple, Lincoln. I'm guessing you got some imposters in your formation. I'm gonna fly through the wing and see if I can flush them out. Jack, keep on those fighters.
How the hell are you gonna find them?
Gonna get in real close and use my eyes.
Old-fashioned? Classy?
Another fort down. Nate, can you see their parachutes? I don't like imposters in my formation, Victor Leader. Sniff them out. Somewhere, Victor Leader. Another fort down. The formation's getting mauled. Gunners on that side are dead, sir. Take it apart, Victor Leader.
They won't be getting that one back in the sky again.
You're clear as spies, Lincoln.
This is the Marmoset. We've taken heavy fire. 2 engines out. Our Norton's shot to shit. We're no good to you boys. I'm turning it around. Roger, Marmoset. Get home safe.
This is Navigator Odell of the Johnny Appleseed. They're hit, sir. The pilot and co-pilot are hit, sir. We took a burst across the cockpit. It falls to me.
Odell, take the stick. Keep it steady. Turn and stay V on the Marmoset. Watch your clearance.
Roger, sir.
Take the stick, Bobby. Bring her around. Keep the nose up. You'll be fine.
Yes, sir. Should we go help them, Cap?
Not our call, Jack. Our mission is to escort the main wing. Odell, how you doing?
Sir, okay, sir.
Keep it together, kid. We'll catch up with you on the way back. I can't be in 2 places at once.
You can, you know. You seen what those 50 cals do to a man?
Oh, for God's sake. Okay, let's form back up, Victor Squadron.
I don't know why you bother, Victor Leader. Those boys couldn't fly in a straight line if they tried.
Straight lines ain't what we're paid for, Lincoln. We can show you tricks that'll curl your toes.
I dare you.
Hey, Riley, you up?
Always. Let's give these airline pilots something to believe in.
Victor 1, Victor 4, I said form up. You're wasting fuel.
Mayday, mayday! Request urgent assistance. More fighters. They're coming for us.
This is the Marmoset. We got incoming 109s. Looks like leftovers from the main group.
Victor 2, take the squadron. Stay with the main formation.
Cap, wait.
Can't leave him, Jack. Him and Odell are sitting ducks out there. You watch the force. I'll be back.
Victor Leader, you got him. Wait, there's more.
They're going in. I don't like this. Why so few planes? One to go. Appleseed, keep it steady. You're nearly out of the woods.
You see that?
What you got, Frank? Victor 1, we have a serious situation up here. Bandits. Many bandits coming this way. Hurry.
Odell, you're clear. Get the hell home.
Thank you, Captain.
Fighters incoming.
Those ain't Messerschmitts.
Oh, Jesus Lord, will you look at that? They're charging us head on.
Tom, we got trouble back here.
Lock it down, Jack. This whole sky's full of trouble. I'll be there as fast as I can.
Holy hell, look at them all! Those snakes were trying to draw us off. Look at them all! Thank God. These new ground planes are just like the old ones. How the hell does he keep doing that?
That's another one down. Stay on it, boys.
Oh yeah, beautiful kill, Cap.
What's the debris 91 group?
I saw that. Nice shot. Keep on them. There you go! Listen, guys on. the Brits were so fond of you.
Yeah! Another crowd to the captain!
Victor Squadron, this one's taken care of. Anyone need help?
Bomber Group 91, lead squadron is seriously compromised. Stand by for reconfiguration orders. Yeah, man, do it. Verdammt, cool. Ich glaube, ich habe den Kühler erwischt. Großartig geschossen.
Squadron in trouble! Coffin corner down here! You've got one job, Victor Leader! Look at them all! Taking massive fire! Request urgent assistance, Victor Section.
You and everyone else, salvage.
How the hell does he keep doing that?
Got them on the defensive, Victor.
Why don't they just turn tail?
Wait for us to drop bombs on the back of their home. Will you? Well done, 352. Good plan, Lieutenant.
Thank you, sir.
Lincoln regret to inform these fancy new planes have reached the limit of their operational range.
Well, thanks for protecting us up until the part where it gets really dangerous.
Yeah, say hello to Goering for me.
You think they'll be okay?
Unescorted bombers? Over England, we called that a free meal. Victor Section, let's head back and catch up with those wounded forts.
Yeah, then we can all go into London tonight and chase down some Piccadilly sweethearts.
Jack, you have the heart of a lion and the brain of a monkey. There they are, Johnny Appleseed. Odell, this is Victor Squadron. How you doing?
Autopilot shot. I'm having to hold it steady myself, Captain.
You're doing a good job, Navigator. How are you wounded?
Lieutenant McDonald's stable, sir. Looks like he might... Sir, Wolf's at 3 o'clock high. He's targeting the apple.
Odell, get out! No! Come on, Odell!
I don't see his shoot, sir.
Jack, Riley, Mitchell, draw off the wingman. That leader is mine.
Gut geschossen, Herr Hauptmann. Beschäftigt Ihre Piloten weiter. Ich will den Anführer.
Man, this guy can really fly.
Yeah, shooting down damaged bombers. He's a real ace. No, we don't do that, Jack.
That's crazy.
Look around you, Jack. What about this whole picture is not crazy? Low fuel. We better get back to base.